Hey guys, I'm so excited because today I'm going to be unboxing my 13-day spooky countdown calendar. This has 13 little mini pop vinyls and I cannot wait. I'm so excited for this. I just think this is the cutest thing in the whole world and yeah, I'm so excited. I got mine from Amazon. If you just search up like pop 13-day spooky countdown, it should come up. Okay, so you slide this off. And it opens up like a little graveyard. Like, what the hell? Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your whole entire life? Because it's the cutest thing I've seen in mine. What the hell? I'm so excited! Okay, let's start. Day number 1. Who do we have in here? Oh, they're in plastic. Really? Yeah. Anyway. Okay. Oh, okay. First day we have Mr. Freddy Krueger. Look how cute he is. I love him. Oh, I love this calendar already. It's so cute. Okay, let's try day 2. Okay, day 2. I can't tell who this is. Oh, it's oh, I know her. What's her name? It's the one off Beetlejuice where she's, you know, the girl that sees the dead people. Oh, I can't remember her name, but this is like such an iconic moment, you know, where she's marrying Beetlejuice. Is that what's happening? I think so. I haven't seen Beetlejuice in so long, but I love it. It's such a great movie. Okay, day number 3. Oh, my favorite. I'm so excited. The Shining is like one of my favorite movies ever. I love it so much. So here we have Jack. With his little axe and the blood on his head. This makes me so happy because I honestly love The Shining. Like, it's just such a good film. So, I'm really happy. Okay, day 4. Oh, cool. Okay, day 4 is Pennywise. I wish they didn't, like, put them in the plastic because I feel like that's such a, like, I feel like you just don't need the plastic. It's, like, annoying and it's also so much extra plastic that doesn't need to be in the world. But anyway. Anyway, here he is. He's so cute. What's he holding? I can't tell what he's holding, but here he is. He's so cute. This is the Pennywise from like the new movie, you know? Okay, day number 5. I don't think I know who this one is. I don't know who this one is. Can you guys tell me who this is? I don't know who that is. Am I really stupid? I don't know. Let me know who that is because I don't know. I feel bad. Right. Next we have, I think this is, yeah, the Exorcist girl. Look at her, she's so cute. I don't know what her name is, but anyway, she's super sweet. Well, she's not really super sweet, but you know what I mean. She looks really cute. Alright, day 7. Oh cool, this is Jason, I think. Yep, here we have Jason. I love Jason. I did a Jason makeup look this year, so super cute. Oh, whoops, almost dropped in. Right, number 8. Oh yay, it's Beetlejuice. I love him. Here he is. Oh, look how cute he is. I love this. This is such a cool calendar, honestly. Hey guys, I was just cleaning my room and realised that I actually never opened number 9. I don't know how I missed it. But this is what number 9 is. It was Annabelle. I have no idea how I managed to miss her. But anyway, yeah, I know that most of you watching this video are probably going to be like, you missed number 9. But anyway, there we go. Annabelle was number 9, so yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Day number 10. I think this is another one that I don't know. Yeah, I don't know who this is. It doesn't tell you either, like it's like a mystery one, which is why I was so excited to get it. Because you know how like most advent calendars, they kind of tell you what's going on in the calendar. Which is like, it's alright, because then you know, like, if you want to buy it, but at the same time, it gets rid of the mystery, you know? But this one, I don't know who that is. Can you guys tell me, once again, who that is? I've got no idea. Okay, 11. This one is frightening. Like, she's actually scaring me. And I know who it is too. It's the nun girl, what's her name? The Valak or something? Here she is. She's cute. She's actually quite scary, honestly. Like, she's kind of scaring me. Alright, day 12. We're so close to the end. Which makes me sad. I don't know if this is a mistake, but I think they've given me Pennywise again. Which I feel like that's a rip-off. I don't want 2 Pennywises. Yeah. Anyway, here's another Pennywise. This one he's holding the balloon. But I guess I'll have it. I thought that was meant to be like a Chucky, or did I imagine that? I thought I saw Chucky. Anyway, alright, day 13. It's like a big door, so I'm excited. Like, see, it's like double doors. Oh, I think you get 2. Oh, you get 2. That's so cute. What a nice surprise. Who is this? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You know who it is? It's the Shining Twins. Is the other one there too? Yup. That is so cute. It's the twins out of The Shining. I love that. That is so cute. Am I, like, getting these confused? I thought they had blonde hair. But anyway, look, you get 2 of the Shining Twins. That is so cute. I love that. I love that they gave you them both. That's so sweet. Oh my god, should I give you guys an overview of, like, all of them? I love them. They're so cute. Apart from the ones that I don't know who they are, but the rest of them I love. They're so sweet. So I got 14 little people. And I love them. I'm surprised like Chucky wasn't in here, to be honest. And like I feel like I thought like maybe Jigsaw or something. And who else is there? Like Michael Myers, I thought he would have been in here as well, but maybe even like the Texas Chainsaw guy. But anyway, I'll give you like a little overview. So we have Jason again. We have Freddy. Beetlejuice. Is name Linda? Is it Linda? I don't know, but it's the girl out of Beetlejuice anyway. This man that I don't know who he is, please let me know if you know who he is. Then we have Jack. We have, oh, the Exorcist girl. I'm sure she has a name, but I don't know what it is. And then this thing, I don't know what that is. Please tell me if you know what that is too. Then we have the nun girl. We have 2 Pennywises, which, fine, whatever. I would have preferred something else than another Pennywise, but anyway. I'm wondering if these are like all the same or if people get different things. I don't know. Let me know if you got one of these calendars. But there's my 2 Pennywises. And then the 2 Shining girls. Oh, I love it. So yeah, overall, I'm so happy with this calendar. I think it was like 60 bucks, which is actually like a really good value because for a key ring, like this size pop, I think they're about $10. And I got, what, 14 of them. So that's like $140 value. So I'm not mad about that at all. I'm really happy with this and I can't wait to display them all. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next one. Bye!